welcome back to my channel Makeup with Ria, and in this video I'm going to show you my makeup haul. So I literally ordered my package yesterday and today morning itself I received. I mean, wow, it's magic. Nothing makes me more happy than this. So well, without any further discussion, let's get into the video because video होने वाली थोड़ी सी लंबी, and have patience. If you don't have patience, then watch this in 2x. Anyways, let's quickly show you. This is a package, huge package, and let me show you what's inside it. So first thing I bought is perfume, of course, because I have a lot of perfume, but उसमें से काफ़ी सारे ख़त्म हो चुके हैं. So I saw this, and it's La French Classy Girl. Let me show you. So its packaging is really good, but I have ruined it because पैकेज आने के बाद I don't have patience कि मैं उसको धीरे धीरे खोल के देखूँ. So anyways, this is a perfume. It's वेरी क्यूट पैकेजिंग, बहुत ही अच्छा है, एंड इसकी स्मेल भी बहुत फ्लोरल टाइप है. सो इफ़ यू आर अ फैन ऑफ फ्लोरल फ्रेगरेंस देन दिस वन इज़ डेफिनेटली फॉर यू, एंड इट्स जस्ट फॉर रुपीज़, वेट आई विल शो यू, सॉरी टेल यू, 350. And for 350 this quantity and this fragrance is just love it. Okay, so the next one is my favorite, of course, Swiss Beauty का concealer, and it's the new shade number 10 Pro Clean. and ये वाला shade अभी I guess recently ही Swiss Beauty ने add किया है. so इसके पहले जो भी सबसे fair shade था वो like थोड़ा सा कम coverage देता है, बट आई गेस दिस वन इज़ टोटली परफेक्ट. सो या इसका शेड बहुत ही ज़्यादा परफेक्ट है फॉर माई स्किन, एंड इट्स 10 प्रो क्लीन, एंड प्राइसिंग ऑब्वियसली सेम ही है, जितनी पहले थी अभी भी उतनी है. आई कांट फाइंड, बट या इट्स ऑलमोस्ट अराउंड 200, सो वर्थ बाइंग. Okay, let's move forward. If you are following me since long, then you definitely know how much I love Swiss Beauty. So another Swiss Beauty product is this, their cream blush, cream tint, whatever, yeah, cream and tint in the shade peach. So it's a really beautiful shade. It's coral candy, you can see the shade. मेरे को ये शेड बहुत टाइम से लेना था, बट मैं ढूंढ नहीं पा रही थी. अब मेरे को हमेशा मिलता था तो आउट ऑफ स्टॉक रहता था, बट नाउ फाइनली आई गॉट माई हैंड्स ऑन दिस, एंड इट्स रिटेल फॉर जस्ट ₹400 or around something. I can't find the price in this, but anyways, if you guys want accurate price and link and everything, then please let me know in the comment section. I will provide each and every link in the description box. So I know I'm looking weird, but it's okay, it's just a makeup haul. So let's move forward, and it's the most hyped product on internet. Like everywhere I see, Mars ka loose setting powder is the best, and I literally had to try. So I finally got my hands on this because earlier I had Fit Me ka translucent powder, but it gave me very yellow tone. जितना मुझे येलो टोन नहीं चाहिए उतना ज़्यादा ही वो देता था, एंड इट्स डेफिनेटली वेरी गुड, बट समटाइम्स यू डेफिनेटली नीड अ ट्रांसलूसेंट पाउडर. सो या इसकी पैकेजिंग बहुत ही luxurious feel देती है. So I literally love this part first of all. So I haven't tried it yet, but in my upcoming makeup videos I'll definitely try and give my honest review of it. So right now I'll not use it, I'll just show the other products. Let's so next product is a lipstick. So it's from L'Oreal Paris Chiffon Signature Lipstick in the shade 224 Eye Roll, and I wanted to try it since very long, but it's a little expensive, but now I finally have this one. Its price is 999 as I remember. Yeah, 999, and the shade is really pretty, and the packaging is, oh my god, इट्स गिविंग मी वेरी वेरी लग्जूरियस फील, एंड उतना ही लग्जूरियस इसका शेड भी है, एज यू कैन सी थोड़ा सा पिंक टोन्ड में है, बट इट्स रियली प्रिटी शेड। इट्स 224 आई रोल, एंड ये डेली बेसिस पे भी आप इजीली यूज़ कर सकते हो, बिकॉज इसका जो शेड है बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्यूट एंड थोड़ा सा न्यूड काइंड ऑफ में आ जाता है ये। सो इट्स वेरी एवरीडे फ्रेंडली कलर, एंड इसका टेक्सचर भी बहुत अच्छा है। इट्स टोटली मैट एंड बिल्कुल भी आई थिंक ड्राई नहीं करता है लिप्स को, but I haven't used it yet, so whenever I'll use it in my upcoming video I'll give my honest review. So this is just basically a makeup haul and not a try on, so whenever I will try it I'll definitely share my honest review. So yeah, let's move forward. Next is another one from Swiss Beauty. So it's their Major 121 eyeshadow palette, you can see, and it retails for rupees 1049, and I guess it's totally worth it, because I'll show you right now. Just wait a minute. Just see the packaging, it's so beautiful, and मैंने स्विस ब्यूटी के काफ़ी सारे आई शेडोज़ यूज़ किए, एंड आई गेस उनमें से दिस वन पैकेजिंग वाइज इज़ totally better, and pigment wise bhi it's better, because I have tried one shade when I received the parcel. So yeah, it is actually very beautiful. It has a lot of shades, you can see, and a mirror also. And what else do we need? It has shimmers, it has matte colors and contour shades, and yeah, of course I'll show the shimmer shades. It's really pretty and pigmented as well. I mean, oh my god, I don't know it's that much visible or not, but it's very nice actually. Price wise, it's totally best. And of course, in my upcoming videos, you will see my looks with this particular product. So yeah. So nextly, I bought one makeup fixer. I bought every time whenever I order my makeup, because this is essential and I just love it. इसके अलावा I have tried quite a few products, but मेरे को ये बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable and इस प्राइस रेंज में बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. It's a Faces Canada Ultimate Pro Makeup Fixer, and it retails for rupees 349 and works like really expensive product. So if you guys haven't tried this yet, and अगर आपको बजट में एक अच्छा मेकअप फिक्सर चाहिए, then you can definitely go for Faces Canada one. It will not disappoint you. I'm really sure about it. And here we go with our last product, is this one. Just a minute. So I bought the next product, is my most wanted product, because मेरे को ये काफ़ी टाइम से लेना था, and because it's definitely quite expensive, so for that reason I was unable to purchase it. Now I finally got my hands on this Swiss Beauty's Bold Matte Lip Liners, and it retails for rupees 900, and it has 12 shades, very beautiful shades. Just a minute, I'll show you, बिकॉज मेरे एक हाथ में माइक है और एक हाथ में मैं प्रोडक्ट सिखा रही हूँ, सो दैट्स वाई. इनसाइड आई गॉट दिस नो यूज़, and just look at the shades. These 12 shades and बहुत ही pretty shades हैं. I'll just try one lip liner right now, just to check the consistency, because till now I just have used one liner, and it was of NY Bay, and I was not that much happy or satisfied with that product, or I was not even disappointed. Somewhere in between I can say. So yeah, let's try the premium quality product which I wanted since really long time. So I'll quickly try it out. And so this shade is dark chocolate 21, and it really blends like butter. And I know I'm looking weird right now, so I'll even try the lipstick. And I don't think कि ये shade match करेगा इस पे, but anyways let's try it out. Okay, so this lipstick literally feels nothing on your lips. It blends like totally butter. You can see, but I know this lip combo is not looking good, but I just wanted to try and I definitely like it. It's totally worth the money, and yeah, of course, I just love it. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. See you guys in my next video. So till then, bye bye. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like this haul or not, and if you want any of the products link, then please let me know. I definitely provide it in the description box. So yeah, bye bye.